And it's like, what are you doing? Look around you. The whole beach is empty. Use your common sense.
I guess that one should be number one on the list.
Yeah,
It sounds like it,
other.
crowding
Yeah.
each other.
A lot of it. Oh, man. You know that seagulls, you ever had a moment about seagulls?
No.
That they carry the souls of people lost at sea?
Really?
Yeah, that's why you're not supposed to ever touch a seagull. Not that you can really get close to them.
Right.
But apparently, yeah, they carry the souls.
Aw.
Wow.
It's kind of a nice sentiment.